I'm Raghunandan. I'm a imaging solution professional, 25 years experience and currently based in Dubai. I just completed the 4-day workshop for certificate course in teaching, training and developing professionals. This course workshop conducted at Asian School of Teachers, Bangalore chapter. I must say that I'm quite pleased with the courseware and the way the subject has been delivered to us. The courseware has been concise, precise, and the modules laid out very well for better understanding of the subject. And the faculty, Ms. Anabhaga Mukherjee, has been very helpful and very insightful in providing us with the guidance required to complete the course as well as to make us understand the subject in a very clear way.